Hi friends, this is Christian Girl. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I want to talk to you guys about this new curling wand that I purchased using Groupon. I believe the original price was about $140 or something, and but I got it for $30, and it's really good. And I just want to show you guys a few of the looks that I created using these wands. So if you want to keep watching, stay tuned. So it comes with 5 wands and the different sizes. And I want to start with the biggest one, 32. This would probably look beautiful on people with long hair to create those beachy mermaid waves. But for short hair like mine, I think it's good for just a small wave, a small curl, not too much, just some texture to the hair. So I like this one because for people with short hair like me, it gives it a nice wave. So it's not completely straight. It's just, you know, kind of, it gives it like some volume, especially because I have layered hair. And I really like it. You know, it's not straight, it's not curly, it's just a nice wave. So I really like this barrel. And I'm definitely going to use it again to create looks like this, where I just want some sort of wave to my hair. Next, I will use 25. So this is the finished look. It took a lot of combing with my fingers and using a small brush like this one to give myself a little afro, and I had to tease my hair in the back because my hair is so thin that it would just look weird. So I just teased the hair in the back and right here in the front, and then just just did this. Obviously this look would look a lot nicer with people with longer hair, but my husband likes this look, so I do it more for him. And I don't know, it's different, and I like it. I feel different too. I feel kind of wild with my makeup on, and I'm ready to go out. Those are some of the looks that I created. I used the biggest one and the medium one and the smallest one. I didn't show a video of the other two because they're really similar in size, so my hair was gonna look the same, and I just thought it was, it would make the video even longer, so I just decided not to record those. But it looks pretty much the same because I do have short hair. It doesn't create much difference, but I'm really impressed with this wand with the 5 barrels. From the biggest one to the skinniest one, this is from the skinniest one, and the biggest one creates nice little waves, as you saw in the video. I'm really impressed. It warms up in about 1.5 minutes, and all it takes is about 30 seconds and your hair's curly. You don't need to leave it on for a minute, or if you want to, but I saw that by doing it for 30 seconds, it actually curled my hair pretty well, and it stays. This is the next day, and it stayed pretty well. Obviously I've combed it out, so there's straight parts, but I get, my personal opinion is that it was a great purchase. Personally, I would give it 5 stars because it's worked out really well for me. It warms up really nicely. The glove helps my fingers from getting burned, and I really like it. So this is my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. God bless you guys. Jesus loves you. Bye.